biggest truck accidents ever caught on camera.
Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway at 70 miles per hour, coffee in hand, radio blasting. When suddenly, out of nowhere, a 40-ton monster on wheels loses control. Metal screams, tires explode, and in seconds, everything turns to chaos. These aren't Hollywood stunts. These are real, heart-stopping moments caught on dash cams, traffic cameras, and bystander phones across America. Today on Road Titans, we're diving into the biggest, most insane truck accidents ever captured on camera in the USA. From fiery pileups that shut down entire interstates to trucks launching off overpasses like missiles, these crashes will leave you gripping your steering wheel tighter. Buckle up. Hit that like button if you're ready for the madness and subscribe so you never miss another Road Titans breakdown. Let's roll into the destruction. Our first scene takes us back to November 3rd, 2002, on Interstate 10, just south of Los Angeles. One of the largest vehicle pileups in U.S. history. Thick morning fog rolled in, dropping visibility to near zero. Dashcam and traffic footage show it all starting with a semi-truck slamming into the center divider. Boom! Sparks fly, the rig jackknifes, and traffic can't stop in time. In seconds, over 216 vehicles, including dozens of big rigs, pile into the mess on both sides of the freeway. Cars crumple like tin foil, semis flip and slide, and debris scatters everywhere. The chain reaction stretches for miles. Miraculously, no one died, but 41 people were injured, some critically. Cameras captured the eerie silence after the crashes. Smoke rising, horns blaring, drivers stumbling out in shock. This monster pileup reminds us, fog doesn't care about your schedule. Slow down, increase your following distance, or become part of the statistic. Road Titans tip: if you can't see the taillights ahead, you're already too close. Fast forward to October 2025 on the I-10 freeway in Ontario, California. Dashcam footage from multiple angles shows a semi-truck barreling through stopped traffic like it doesn't even see the brake lights. The driver, later arrested and accused of being under the influence, never slows down. The truck smashes into the back of an SUV, then plows through 7 more vehicles in a fiery chain reaction crash. Flames erupt from engines, metal twists, and black smoke fills the sky. 3 innocent people lost their lives, with several others critically injured. The video is gut-wrenching. You see the truck closing in at full speed, no attempt to swerve or stop. 8 vehicles total involved, including multiple semis and passenger cars. The aftermath? A mangled graveyard of wreckage blocking all westbound lanes for hours. This isn't just an accident, it's a preventable tragedy. Investigations pointed to drugs and possible licensing issues. Road Titans message: never get behind the wheel impaired. One bad decision can end lives in an instant. Share this if it makes you think twice about road safety. Head north to California's infamous I-5 corridor, where thick Tule fog turns highways into death traps. Viral footage from one massive multi-vehicle pileup shows semis jackknifing one after another as visibility drops to feet. In one clip, a big rig slams into stopped traffic, triggering explosions of sparks and twisted steel. Dozens of vehicles pile up, trucks on top of cars, trailers detached and rolling. These fog-induced disasters have claimed lives repeatedly, with chain reactions stretching hundreds of yards. Dashcams capture the terror. Drivers honking desperately, then the sickening crunch as metal meets metal at high speed. In similar incidents, semis carrying hazardous loads have leaked chemicals or caught fire, forcing evacuations. The footage is haunting, ghostly silhouettes in the mist, emergency lights flashing through the haze. Road Titans pro tip: fog is sneaky. Use low beams, slow way down, and pull over if it's too bad. Don't become another viral clip. Our final scene is pure adrenaline. Recent dashcam videos from California freeways show trucks going airborne. One wild clip from Rialto shows a pickup truck launching off an overpass, soaring through the air, and crashing onto the 210 freeway below, right in front of oncoming traffic. But semis take it to another level. Footage of a semi clipping a car, then flipping wildly across lanes, cab crushing, trailer spilling cargo everywhere. In another viral moment, a big rig loses control on a ramp, sails off the edge, and lands in a fireball. Dashcams catch the slow-motion horror, the truck tipping, wheels spinning uselessly, then the devastating impact. These crashes often involve speed, distraction, or sudden maneuvers gone wrong. Injuries are severe, fires erupt fast, and highways shut down for days. The raw power of these machines is terrifying when things go wrong. Road Titan's reminder: respect the physics. A loaded semi needs massive space to stop. Tailgating one is playing with fire. And that's just a taste of the biggest truck accidents ever caught on camera in the USA. Moments that shock, terrify, and teach us all a lesson. From fog-shrouded pileups to no-brakes disasters, these crashes prove one thing: the road doesn't forgive mistakes. Here at Road Titans, we bring you the raw truth to keep you safer out there. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button, drop a comment with which crash shocked you most, and subscribe with notifications on. We drop epic road content every week. Drive smart, stay alert, and remember, your life and everyone else's depends on it. Until next time, this is Road Titans, keeping it real on the blacktop. Peace out, Titans.